Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems. Okay, today's subtopic is inverse trigonometric functions and substitutions. Okay, now explain question number 1. Y equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, we have cos x by 1 plus sin x. This formula tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, right? Y is equal to tan inverse of, so this formula, right? Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, therefore y is equal to tan inverse of tan function. We have one formula, tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. Where theta placed in pi by 4 minus x by 2, right? Pi by 4 minus x by 2. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So differentiation of 45 is 0. This minus 1 by 2 constant. Differentiation of x will be 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 2. Let us go to the next problem. So y equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay. We have to find dy by dx. So by using substitution method, so let us take x is equal to cos theta. Why? Because we have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, cos 3 theta. We have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta. Okay. So let us take x is equal to cos theta. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse x. Right. Y is equal to cos inverse of, where expression, right, cos theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this will be cos inverse of cos 3 theta. So this is equal to cos inverse of cos 3 theta is nothing but 3 theta. 3 into what is theta? Where theta is, right, cos inverse x. But our target is derivative dy by dx. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. 3 constant. Differentiation of cos inverse x. So write d by dx of cos inverse x. So this will be minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. The differentiation of cos inverse x, we have formula this is. So this answer will be minus 3 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, look at the next question. So y value given, sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Then we have to find dy by dx. So let us take x is equal to sin theta. Okay. We have 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, sin 3 theta formula. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This formula is sin 3 theta. Okay. So now theta is equal to sin inverse x. Therefore y is equal to sin inverse of, put expression sin, this will be 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Therefore y is equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, this will be sin 3 theta. Because sin inverse of sin 3 theta, this will be 3 theta. 3 into what is theta? Theta value, we have sin inverse x. Therefore y is equal to 3 sin inverse x. Okay. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Okay, 3 constant. So differentiation of sin inverse x. Differentiation of sin inverse x. We have formula 1 by root 1 minus x square. So what is the answer? 3 by root 1 minus x square. 3 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So y equal to tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to a tan theta. A tan theta. So why? Because this is tan 3 theta formula. So x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to x by a. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse of x by a. Okay. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse of, okay, write expression tan a tan theta. 3a square into a tan theta minus x cube. X cube is a tan theta whole cube upon a cube minus 3a into x square, where x value a tan theta, x square is a tan theta whole square. Okay, now this value will be 3a cube in this a cube. So in numerator one a cube take out common, a cube 3 tan theta minus this is tan cube theta upon, in denominator one a cube take out common, this is a square into a cube, okay. In denominator one a cube take out common, this will be 1 minus 3 tan square theta. In this one a cube get cancelled. Okay, so tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This will be tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta. Therefore tan inverse of tan 3 theta, this will be 3 theta. Okay. Therefore y value we got it 3 theta. 3 into what is theta? Where theta is tan inverse of x by a. So tan inverse of x by a. So y is equal to 3 tan inverse of x by a. Okay, we got it. Y is equal to 3 tan inverse of x by a. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx, okay, is equal to 3 times of differentiation of tan inverse of x by a. Okay, 3 times of, so differentiation of tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square, where expression, what value is there? X by a. So 1 by 1 plus x by a whole square into, write derivative d by dx of x by a by using chain rule, okay, into x by a. So this is 3 by, so let us do LCM. LCM is a square, okay, a square is LCM, a square plus x square into, so different in this 1 by a constant, so in differentiation of x value 1, okay, 1a get cancelled, this a multiply with 3, answer is 3a by x square plus a square. So what is the answer? 3a by x square plus a square. Let us go to the next problem. So y equal to tan inverse of secant x plus tan x, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, we have secant x plus tan x formula, secant x plus tan x. Okay, this can be written as 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. So let us do LCM. Cos x is LCM 1 plus sin x. So this formula is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So 1 plus sin x by cos x formula, tan pi by 4 like plus x by 2. Okay. If 1 minus sin x by cos x, this formula is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. From trigonometric formula, this is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. If 1 minus sin x by cos x, this formula is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, right. Y is equal to tan inverse of this formula, tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, now y is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. This will be only pi by 4 plus x by 2. So tan inverse of tan theta, we have tan theta. What is the formula? Tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, this will be pi by 4 plus x by 2. Where theta place in 45 plus x by 2. Right. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Differentiation of pi by 4, 0, constant. In this differentiation of right, x by 2. So 1 by 2 constant. So differentiation of x will be 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Let us go to the next problem. So y value given 2 to the power ax and dy by dx value at x is equal to 1. This value log 256 given. We have to find a value. Okay. So what is given y value? Y is equal to 2 power ax. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y with respect to x, we have dy by dx. Differentiation of 2 to the power ax. The differentiation of constant power variable. We have differentiation of a to the power x. A to the power x into log a. Okay. So by using that formula, derivative of 2 to the power ax. This is 2 power ax into log 2. But derivative of ax. Derivative of ax is a. By using chain rule. So a constant, differentiation of x is 1. Okay. At x is equal to 1, we have to find dy by dx. In statement at x is equal to 1, dy by dx value given log 256. Okay. So expression write a. Expression write 1, 2 power a into log 2 into a. But dy by dx value given log 256. So 256 means 2 power 8 is equal to 2 power a into log 2 into a. So log 2 power 8, this is nothing but 8 log 2. 8 times of log 2. So by using this formula, log a to m to the power n is equal to n into log m. N into log m. This 8 into log 2 is equal to 2 power a into log 2 into a. Log 2 both sides get cancelled. 8. This 8 can be written as 2 square into 2 is equal to 2 power a into a. Okay, this 8 can be written as 2 square into 2. Right side value 2 power a into a. So on comparing these two terms, a is equal to 2. Where a place in 2 there. So answer is a is equal to 2. Let us go to the next problem. So y equal to sin inverse of 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 power x. Okay. How can solve this problem? So by using substitution method. So y is equal to sin inverse of this 2 to the power x plus 1. This can be written as 2 into 2 power x by 1 plus 4 power x. This 4 to the power x. This means 2 square power x. This can be written as 2 power x whole square. Okay. A to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power n whole power m. So 2 square power x. This can be written as 2 power x whole square. Okay, 2 power x whole square. So let us take 2 power x is equal to tan theta. 2 power x is equal to tan theta. We have 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula sin 2 theta. So what is the formula? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This will be sin 2 theta. Okay. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. Therefore, y is equal to sin inverse of, right, 2 power x plus in tan theta. This will be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This will be sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 theta. So therefore, y is equal to 2 theta. Y value 2 theta. We got it. 2 into what is theta? Theta value, right? Tan inverse of 2 power x. Okay. we got it y is equal to 2 tan inverse of 2 power x. Okay, our target is dy by dx. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx, 2 constant, right, derivative of tan inverse of 2 power x. So 2 times of, so differentiation of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. In this we are expressing 2 power x, right, 1 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square into, right, differentiation of 2 power x. Okay, by using chain rule. So 2 times of 1 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square is nothing but 4 power x, 4 to the power x. So differentiation of 2 power x by using derivative of a to the power x formula, a to the power x into log a. So differentiation of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x into log 2. 2 power x into log 2. So this will be 2 into 2 power x. So 2 power 1 into 2 power x is 2 power x plus 1. So 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 by 1 plus 4 to the power x. So this is answer. Look at the next question. Y value given tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. In this sin x, we have sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. In denominator 1 plus cos x also 2 cos square x by 2. So therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of sin x, right, formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by this denominator formula 2 cos square x by 2. In this one 2 as well as cos x by 2 get cancelled. Cos x by 2. Now we get y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. We have formula tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2, this is nothing but x by 2. Okay, y is equal to x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2. We have this formula tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. So tan inverse of tan x by 2 is x by 2. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx equal to, in this x by 2, derivative of x by 2 value, in this 1 by 2 constant, differentiation of x will be 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Y equal to cos inverse of sin x, then find out dy by dx. We have sin x formula cos 90 minus x. So y is equal to cos inverse of, right, sin x formula cos 90 minus x. So y is equal to cos inverse of cos 90 minus x. This is nothing but 90 minus x. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Differentiation of 90 is 0. Differentiation of minus x, this will be minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 1. Okay, moving on, next question. So y equal to cot inverse of this function given. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, we have root 1 plus sin x formula. So root 1 plus sin x, so this will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, so root 1 minus sin x, this will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, so root 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Root 1 minus sin x formula cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, where x lies between 0 to pi by 2. Okay, in first quadrant is given. Okay, now write y is equal to cot inverse of, so under root 1 plus sin x, this place we should write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Root 1 minus sin x, this value cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This whole divided by, so denominator also same, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus Under root 1 minus sin x, this formula is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, right. Y is equal to cot inverse of, in this one sin x by 2 get cancelled. Cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2. This whole divided by, after minus multiply, 1 cos x by 2 get cancelled. So minus into minus plus sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 value 2 sin x by 2. In this one 2 get cancelled. Therefore cot inverse of cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is cot x by 2. Therefore y is equal to cot inverse of cot x by 2 is nothing but x by 2. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So derivative of y dy by dx. In this derivative of x by 2. So derivative of x by 2. In this 1 by 2 constant. So differentiation of x is 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, look at the next question. Y value given cos inverse of x minus x inverse by x plus x inverse. Then find out dy by dx. Okay. Where x inverse means 1 by x, right? Y is equal to cos inverse of x minus 1 by x plus x inverse value, right? 1 by x. So this will be cos inverse of, so let us do LCM. What is LCM? X LCM. X square minus 1 by x square plus 1. So x square minus 1 by x. So denominator x square plus 1 by x. So this x get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to cos inverse of x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. In tan, y is equal to cos inverse of tan square theta minus 1 by tan square theta plus 1. Okay. So what is the cos 2 theta formula? Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. But in this tan square theta minus 1 by tan square theta plus 1. This formula is minus cos 2 theta. So cos inverse of minus cos 2 theta. Okay. Okay, what we got it? Y is equal to cos inverse of minus cos 2 theta. We have one formula, cos inverse of minus x is equal to 180 minus cos inverse x. 180 minus cos inverse x. So y is equal to 180 minus cos inverse of, your expression cos 2 theta. So 180 minus cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So 180 minus cos inverse of cos 2 theta, this will be 2 theta. So y is equal to 180 minus 2 into what is theta? Theta value tan inverse x. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of y dy by dx is equal, differentiation of 180 is 0, constant, minus 2 times of, so differentiation of right tan inverse x. Okay, minus 2 times of, differentiation of tan inverse x formula 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, this will be minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So minus 2 by 1 plus x square, correct answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.